Hello everyone, my name is Komal Verma, School of Pharmacy, Assistant Professor, Babu Banarsi Das University, Lucknow. Today I will discuss an important topic, plant respiration. Introduction to plant respiration. Respiration is very complex process and is different from simple combustion and breathing. Plant respire just like animal. They take in oxygen and release carbon dioxide to produce energy. This process is essential for plant growth, development and survival. It is an energy releasing process. Thus, respiration is the process of oxidation reduction wherein the organic substances are graded to release energy. Waste is incorporated in adenosine triphosphate. Definition and importance. Definition and importance. First is metabolic process. Respiration is a metabolic process that releases energy from food. This energy fuels vital plant function including growth, photosynthesis and nutrients uptake. Next, essential for survival. Respiration is crucial for plant survival. Without it, plant would be unable to obtain energy and perform essential functions. Nighttime activity. Plants primarily respire at night when they cannot photosynthesize. During respiration, they break down stored sugar for energy. Next, environment influences. Factors such as temperature, light, and water availability can be significantly influence the rate of respiration in plants. Respiration of two types. First is respiration in which free oxygen is utilized is known as aerobic respiration, while the respiration is absence of free oxygen is called anaerobic respiration. The amount of energy released in case of aerobic respiration is much more as compared to anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration in plant. Aerobic respiration in plant, glucose breakdown. In an aerobic respiration, glucose is breakdown in the presence of oxygen. This process generates energy in the form of ATP. Next, 4 stages. Aerobic respiration involves in 4 distinct stages. First is glycolysis, pyruvate oxidation and Krebs cycle, oxidative phosphorylation. Oxidative phosphorylation. What is glycolysis? Glycolysis is the first step in the respiration process taking place in the cytoplasm in presence or absence of oxygen, wherein glucose molecules break down into 2 molecules of pyruvic acid. Krebs cycle. This takes place in the presence of oxygen in mitochondria of cell, wherein pyruvic acid is degraded further to form carbon dioxide, water and energy. Energy production. Aerobic respiration is highly efficient, yielding a significant amount of ATP, which powers various cellular activities. Anaerobic respiration in plant. Oxygen deprivation. Oxygen respiration occurs When oxygen is limited, such as water-logged soil or flooded areas, plants resort to this process as survival mechanism. Incomplete breakdown in anaerobic respiration, glucose is incompletely broken down, yielding a much smaller amount of ATP compared to aerobic respiration. Ethanol Ethanol production. Plants often produce ethanol as byproduct of anaerobic respiration. Ethanol can accumulate in plant tissue, potentially affecting growth and development. It is the respiration in the absence of oxygen and takes place in microorganisms, bacteria and also yeast. It does not need mitochondria during the process. Many toxic substances are formed. It is incomplete oxidation and release about 1/30 of energy as releases in aerobic respiration. It is incomplete oxidation. The ultimate product of this respiration are carbon dioxide, ethyl alcohol, and several types of acid like lactic acid, etc. Factor affecting plant respiration. First is temperature. Respiration rate increases with rising temperature up to a certain point. High temperature can denature enzymes involved in respiration. Light intensity. The plant generally inspires more in the dark than in the light. This is because photosynthesis dominates during the day. Oxygen concentration. Respiration required oxygen. Lower oxygen levels can limit the rate of respiration. 4. Water availability. Water is essential for respiration as it serves as a solvent for chemical reaction. Dehydration can reduce respiratory rate. Nutrients level. Plant respiration is influenced by nutrients availability. Deficiency is essential nutrients can disrupt metabolic process. Measurement and monitoring of plant respiration. First is gas exchange analysis. Second, oxygen electrode. Third is infrared gas analyzer. Next, respiration chamber. First is gas exchange analysis. This method measures the uptake of oxygen and release the carbon dioxide to determine respiratory rates. Oxygen electrode measures the oxygen concentration in closed system containing plant tissue. Infrared gas analyzer measure the concentration of carbon dioxide in a closed system. Next, respiration chamber. Plant tissue is enclosed in a respiration chamber, allowing researchers to measure gas exchange. Adaptation and strategies for plant respiration. First is tropical rainforest. Plants in rainforest often have high respiratory rate to support rapid growth in warm, humid conditions. Desert environment. Desert plants have evolved adaptation to conserve water, including reduced respiration rates, during dry period. Aquatic environment. Aquatic plants have adapted to low oxygen level, often exhibiting anaerobic respiration in submerged tissues. Thank you.